A jar contains 38 red marbles numbered 1 to 38 and 50 blue marbles numbered 1 to 50. A marble is drawn at random from the jar. Find the probability of the given events, and we want to enter our answer as a fraction that is reduced. So the first thing I do usually to answer this type of question is to break down the categories. I have red and blue marbles, and then they are numbered even and odd. So for example, I have 38 red marbles. That means 19 of them are going to be odd and 19 of them are going to be even. I have 50 blue marbles. That means 25 of them will be odd and 25 of them will be even. Now I'm ready to answer the question. The first question is the probability of selecting a red marble. So the probability of selecting a red marble is basically, this is the probability of, or how many red marbles we have, which is 38, divided by the total number of marbles, which is 50 plus 38, which is equal to 88. So over 88 marbles. So this is the first one. And don't forget that you need to reduce the fractions. So if you divide both by 2, you're going to get 19 over 44. And that is your reduced fraction. Now the second probability, we want to find the probability of selecting odd marbles. We have 19 red odd marbles and 25 blue odd marbles. That is a total of sum of both of these numbers. So that is a total of 44 marbles to select from, divided by the total number of marbles, which is 88. If you divide by 44, you're going to get 1/2. So the probability here is going to be 1/2 as a reduced fraction. The marble, or the probability of selecting a marble that is red or odd. We need to compute all of the red marbles and all of the odd marbles that are not red. Remember that an OR event means a combination of the two events without repetition. Make sure that you're not adding the totals of the reds and the odds. That is not going to work. So make sure you're only selecting all of the red marbles. So here I'm going to highlight them in orange, and then all of the odd marbles, and don't double count the 19. 19 here happens to satisfy both categories. So once it is counted as a red marble, as red marbles, and once they are counted as odd marbles. So to answer this question effectively, I'm just going to add these numbers once, or I can just say, okay, so the total number of reds, which is 38 marbles, plus the 25 odd marbles from the blue color. So I'm just going to add those three numbers. So this is equal to 19 plus 19 plus 25. I don't add the totals. Again, I'm not going to add all of the odds and then all of the reds, because I'm basically double counting the 19 here. So please do not do that. This is a common mistake that most of the students do. So please don't fall in that trap. And lastly, we want to find the probability of selecting blue or even. So the same here, this is an OR event. That means we need to combine everything in both categories without repeating. Now, what is the number that we're going to repeat, or it is possible to repeat? The number that is possible to repeat is the 25 blue marbles that happen to be even as well. So I'm going to highlight both of these categories. So here is the blue category. I'm going to do it blue. And then here is the even category, another blue. But notice how this number is repeating in both of these categories. That means you need to pay attention not to add this number twice. So to count all of the marbles that satisfy both of these categories without repetition, I'm going to add 25 plus 25, and then we are going to add the 19 only. So 25 plus 25 plus 19, which is equal to 69. So we're going to say the probability here is 69 divided by 88. And again, you are going to reduce the fractions if you are able to reduce them. If they are in the simplest form, then you will be done. So this one has changed. It's supposed to be a number, not supposed to be a number. This is 1 divided by 2. Or 1/2. Okay, so this is 1/2 here. I hope this video helped you understand this type of question. It is very tricky to find the OR event, but keep in mind, if you understand what the OR event means, it's just combine both of the events without repeating. And keep in mind, in this table, the events are not mutually exclusive, so you will need to pay attention to those numbers that satisfy both conditions. Like this number is odd and red, all of the marbles that are odd and red, and this number is all of the marbles that are even and blue. So those are the where the two events are not mutually exclusive, and you need to pay attention to that so you don't double count. I hope this video helped you understand this problem. If you do have questions, please let me know, and I will see you in a different video.